All right, I just got this. And this is a Kodak slide and scan digital film scanner. Bought this off of Amazon. I think I paid, I don't know, over $100 for it. But anyway, let's open her up and take a look and see what comes in the box. Well, we definitely got a cord, which I do believe is a HDMI. Set that there. The unit itself, here it is. Check it out. That's it right there. It's got an OK. It's got an on button. I think we got to put batteries in it, or we plug it in somehow. I don't know. We're gonna have to figure that out. Let's look and see what we got here. I'm looking all over it right now, and I do not see anywhere where you plug. Oh, here we are. There's the USB. We got to plug this thing and charge it. Okay, now we've got a power cord, right? There's the regular USB to USB-C. All right, we've got, I do believe these are the things you put the slides in. We'll have to look at those. It has some kind of some type of thing that we do something with. We'll put that there. And we're probably going to need to read this. User's manual. I highly recommend that. All right, so that's what comes in the box. Okay. Set that there. Here we are. This is what comes in the box. Now we just got to figure out how to use it. I do believe that I'm going to have to plug it in and charge it. That's the first thing. So we'll show you how to do that. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on this thing. Oh, what's this? Please peel this off. Oh, okay, so this has got to come off. All right, we got that off of there. All right, that's done. All right, next step, charging. All right, like I said, check out my other videos. I'm going to show you how to use this thing. That's the unboxing, and we'll move forward from that. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out everything that I do. Peace out.